I'm Pakistani and you are Pakistan. I'll teach you how you can make a home automation using WhatsApp. Initially, my plan is to make a home automation using WhatsApp. So this time, WhatsApp is all be done on a smartphone, also with normal phones, multimedia phones, which are keypad multimedia phone. Nowadays, it's very popular. So you can use these types of phones also, and also plus smartphone to make your home automation or control your home appliances just your WhatsApp, no matter with login laptop, keypad phone or smartphone, tablet, iPhone and anything which can support the WhatsApp, also internet. This time you can use internet SIM like a package or internet launch SIM or any other SIM, internet package SIM you can use with your phone, which phone cannot have a Wi-Fi connection inbuilt, so you can put a SIM with internet balance and then you can use WhatsApp to turn on and turn off the appliances. Now show the circuit. Power supply, 7 volts which are connected to this output. How power supply is flexible in to this is a linear power supply. Output goes to the red and black wires. Red wires goes to black wires go this wire, which wires go underneath. Let me go to the relay module, and relay module other wire is connected to the this wire, which is a byte add light. So in here you can use 220 volt lamp. I use byte add light, it was 12 volt maximum. So here we give 7 volts to turn on this LED with DC power supply. You can use AC power supply with AC load, and other this lamp wire is directly connected the positive of this power supply, and relay have 3 connections: ground to node MCU, 3.3 volt to the relay 3.3 volt, VCC which is a 5 volt, and relay have a signal pin which is connected this purple wire to the digital 0 pin of the node MCU, and node MCU is connected my Wi-Fi. So you can need also providing node MCU internet to the node MCU also same time, as well as your cell phone or which laptop, tablet and iPhone, anything. But this time don't matter, you can use only single network or separate networks. So if you can use single network to provide node MCU as well as your other device, or you can use 2 different networks, one from node MCU and one from your phone, tablet, iPhone or laptop, anything which then you can need to turn on. And this time I forgot to tell you, this is a Twilio based. So this Twilio is an online web service which provides you local network on number, which number you can use. Twilio is based on Twilio, which is online platform, which platform can give a local phone number, which phone number you can need to message at. So basically this account, online based account, which account states with ESP and another account. So it will, when I turn on the command sending by this number, for example, turn on the LED. Now the demo. See the LEDs turn on. I put LED turn off command. LED off. LED should be turned off. LED, and it also apply me done LED turn off. LED turn on. Turn on. If I give, don't worry, in your twice and versus invalid. On, off. So this way you can make a WhatsApp based home automation. You can run any cell phone or any tablet or anything which can support the WhatsApp. You can need a turn on, use the WhatsApp, turn on your plus turn off the appliances. This time we use Twilio account. So it is a Twilio account. Here we use ESP8266, which I purchased my local number free, which is a totally online free platform where I buy free number, local number, which number I save my cell phone, and when I send when I send the SMS on to this number via WhatsApp. This is a Twilio-based home automation, and this video can be connected to your helpful pause.
Now we need two accounts for this project. One is our Twilio account, ESP account. I mean, first we can do TeamSpeed dot slash dot me for create account, which account used for communication with your Node MCU, as well as if you are using ESP32 Node MCU Raspberry Pi Node MCU or many more devices use Twilio WhatsApp. So it will work by a Twilio WhatsApp using the Twilio WhatsApp function, and it will work ESP32, ESP8266 or Raspberry Pi or Node MCU. It will work these all kinds of board. It will work. We already create an account. Account creating is very simple thing, just like a normal account, daily basis account creating. In order to create account, then you can go to a project, create new project. Here you put project name, write node MCU in my case. Here you put device dimensional, which dimension I already show in my tutorial. For example, do you know, so you can see here we put a dimensional which is after there. So it is a project name where I put the also node MCU, it is a project name, and this is a dimensional. We put same dimensional and same project name to the air into a ESP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are dimensional of the my node project. Here I put my dimensional, same dimensional and same project name, which we can use in the code. We put here also submit. Currently I forwarded that, so we did not put a space here. So in a dimensional, I mean project name, you cannot put a space because it is otherwise it not work. I am put MCUF because I made a one already project, so that's why it may be same texture, that's same, so it will not make a one connection two projects. So I add the demo from S here and I submit it. Now it's create like node MCU, so you can see add it at 13/3/23. If you see my date here in screen 3/13/2023, same date I made this. For some reason it will give error, but I don't know why, but it will create it. It will working. I mean it is working. Create it, but it after that it will make something like that, and it will give this OTP or URL, which we need to repeat here like that, and we can do Twilio account, do this button, which is view all account. Here this time you can use Twilio what SMS as well as WhatsApp based, but you can not, this ESP only be work with WhatsApp. So that's why it is a problem. First, because you can see there like made two projects. This project made a while ago, about 1 month ago, which I am working from this project 1 month, and this is project I made yesterday. Because first my plan is it will work. I made this project using WhatsApp. Then I am deciding why not made by SMS. So I create this setting part, but I realized that Twilio can export the SMS based, but the thing ESP cannot work at SMS based, so it will. I cannot use this, but I tell out admit. Those create account, new account. For example, here you put your account name. This time you put any name. I put account same as node MCU. Verify. Although node MCU is interest but still just demo I will give you. Once do that, here you put your phone number and you put country, and after that I am in Pakistan. I put 92. After that, just write up countries. This will available with fine only Pakistan because I live Pakistan. And if you live any country, you can put the same country because you put your personal number. So that's why it is proper to select your country. Otherwise, it will not be what. And this time, I only put the country code or country. Then I pause and put my number and continue. And then I turn on the video because due to personal reasons. Now there is a send. First I put my number into a phone number bar and then send the verify code. Click and after then continue the video. After that you just put why you which you can type you can use here, meaning SMS, chat, voice, video or WhatsApp. Here we select WhatsApp because I already tell you this in ESP is only be work on WhatsApp. Then select anyone, then any other. It is also be says which programming language you use. Here my Dixie language or do you know language is for it. I cannot put any language, so I put other language. And then continue. And once continue, it will open this type of page. It will provide me some number, which is a free number, local number, which number I put save in my cell phone and send the SMS. It will send me number, one of number. Here, now I tell you again. So we just send message on WhatsApp because I WhatsApp based. Here lower this page. Once it's lower this page, it will give me one phone number, which number I add my contact list and WhatsApp the number, which command it will give it. First agree the terms of condition, confirm. It will give me one command display in the screen, which command I send with WhatsApp to each number, and then it will continue the process. It will verify the person, and then we continue this. Try WhatsApp, and it says join complex bold send me message which it send me OTP, which OTP I send the each number provided number. This time I cannot see the show the number, my personal number or the which other number which it can give me to send message to the number, and then I select to the template and wait for, and it will the messages appear, and then we can, which is always put this select this next step button to next step. Now it's waiting for my message. Now send hello message or any message to this providing number, which number it can give me the message. And now I wrap up with next step, and we are done. Now we can only put this Arduino code by changing the same national name, which national number, national name or project name, which project name we already put in the thin ESP account, and we upload this code to my project by selecting both ESP8266, ESP12E module and compile and then upload. Now explain a tour of this WhatsApp home automation. It has include Wi-Fi.h library for Wi-Fi to meet ESP Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi has include ThinkESP.h library for ThinkESP string, the national username, international and project name. I put here, which we can later put in my setting the website, which website I later tell you. Relay net pin number 2, unsigned launch previous mills equals 0. So just count millisecond 0. Constant launch in which interrupts equals 6000. Wide setup baud serial billion 11,500 for Wi-Fi node MCU. Communication with laptop. Pin mode relay pin is 2, which is output. Pin ST Wi-Fi. Thin system. System is my username, and here we put your Wi-Fi international like the username and password. Thin int device. String handling response string queries. It will this function it all with this function. Which function run if query equals LED on digital wide pin 2 I, meaning return digital LED, return LED turn on. Also print in a cell phone. Else if query is LED off, digital wide low, turn also return done, LED turn off. Else if query LED status, return digital read, LED is off or on. Else invalid queries. While loop string handling. First, and this video will end with the next video soon.